Alright, this video is going from remote control to local operation. We'll go down to our password screen. We use the plus button to go to 1000. And then we want to use the down arrow, keep pushing the down arrow until the add cal starts flashing. Press the plus button. We want to push the down arrow once so yes starts flashing. Then we want to press and hold the down arrow in until the secret screen appears. And then we're going to go to the down arrow to the D starts flashing. And we're going to hit that to the minus button or the plus button. D1 equals remote operation. D equals 0 is the local operation. And then we'll go up. Go back to the main screen, and now we can actually do all of our control here. To go from manual to auto, you just use the plus button.